Hey guys, what is going on? Hey, it's Kim Flores. I just wanted to show you this little thing that I'm into right now. It's not little. Anyway, this thing that I've been exposed to, and I just wanted to share with you why I decided to go with Epic. What does Epic mean? Exceptional people, incredible compensation. Now, if you want more information on that, I'll share something down below in the description, or I might just have a card up here for you. But anyway, guys, I quick and simple, I just wanted to share with you why I decided to get into Epic. What is it? Okay, you know, you think about when Apple came out, right? The first iPhones. Before that was the Blackberries, right? So, okay, the background to the company. Okay, it's a global company, provides the environment for people of all backgrounds to learn the lifelong skill of Forex trading while also pursuing their financial dreams and goals. Now, that's why I got into it. I wanted to learn Forex trading. And the whole team has got more than 100 years between them in business and MLM experience. They're leading Forex traders and trainers. It's 100% debt free, which means that they don't owe anything anywhere. Just take a gander here. You might recognize some of these names, you might not, because usually, you know, the ones in the Forex and crypto, you know, the millionaires being made, you really don't hear about them, you know, and you know, people like, you know, Robert Kiyosaki, you know, he's saying that the way things are going nowadays, if you don't have some kind of crypto or some kind of that in your background, okay, there's going to be some restitution later on because of the way the climate, you know, just what's going on, you know, not climate weather-wise, but the old climate, you know, the whole state of affairs that the world's going into right now. But anyway, guys, so what is Forex? Just quick and simple, stands for foreign exchange. It's the act of buying and selling currencies. Used daily by banks. They've done this for hundreds of years. By banks, central banks, institutional investors, and individuals around the world. It's a portable skill. It couldn't hurt you nothing by learning this, right? It could probably even benefit you immensely. So far, so good. I mean, I've just started, but it's really gotten me going too. So it's the largest financial market in the world. It's $6 trillion per day, guys, per day. 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share this little bit with you. I'm going to leave a link below if you want to learn more about it and see what we got going on. There's some perks to being in with me in particular. You know, I've got some special bonuses for you. So, you know, just check out the link below, and you'll be able to see what's going on. All right, guys, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to sign off now, but keep watching for my next video because it's going to be something else. All right, guys, Kim Flores. Talk to you later.